week. So, yun, gagawin natin. Sa Japan din, ginagawa, during their assembly, binabasa yung our challenges. Sabay-sabay. Yung ano lang, mga heading lang, tapos may isang magbabasa dun sa content. So, gayahin ko sila, pero yung ginagawa natin, isa na yung bumabasa sa ano, no? Pero ngayon, basahin natin sabay-sabay yung 1, 2, 7. Paano tayo lahat? Nakatayo dapat. Yung 1 to 7 natin. Okay? So, our challenges.
Our challenges.
Number 1, look around.
Look around.
Wait, sabay. Look around.
Look around.
Number 2, jump beyond the border.
Jump beyond the border.
Number 3, put importance on the goal.
Put importance on the soul.
Number 4, voice out the issues.
Voice out the issues.
Number 5, foster trust.
Foster trust.
Number 6, learn the unknown.
Learn the unknown.
Number 7, enjoy creating things. Okay, so una tayo. Tawag tayo ng group. Okay, una tayo muna. Okay. So number 1, look around. Jeric, pakibasa tayo sa ano, anong nilalaman?
The idea of contributing to people starts with knowing the place. With good observation, let us watch what we can improve in our customers' work. By being in the customer's shoes, one will see the hint.
Thank you, Jeric. Okay, number 2, Arnan.
Jump beyond the border. Marketing is like this, and engineering is like this. Be particular about the goals. Any brand new ideas. Are you narrowing the scope of your work? Are you limiting your role? If it is for the customer sake, one should respond beyond the border of the department of the company. Such seriously praise to us.
Okay, thank you, Arnan. Number 3, Yusef.
Number 3, put importance on results. Let's clarify the issues and have concrete targets. Put importance on figures as results. Without profit, we cannot have product development, challenges, nor our salary. Only loose results are derived from loose targets. Let's step up our efforts.
Okay, number 4, Khaled.
Voice out the issues, regardless of whether it is big or small. When you see a problem, let's voice it clearly as possible. One should not be restrained by the framework of the department. That voice will protect oneself from the risk. A big voice that will create our future.
Okay, number 5, Adrian.
Foster trust. With our work, we have completely alone. Work will only advance upon the people, despite the opportunity that we do not have. Let's be a reliable person that colleague. Let's be a person whom other people like to work with.
Okay, number 6, Grace.
Number 6, learn the unknown. Let's learn beyond our framework, the fortune. Countries, business, industries, jobs, positions. There are no borders in learning. The world is teeming with success stories. Without dwelling in our own words, let's widely learn from how to look at somebody's eyes to how to conceive ideas.
Okay, number 7, Vicky.
Enjoy creative tools. There are users everywhere in the planet. There are fans in Europe, America, and Asia. The best part of creating things is creating something out of nothing. Let's courageously enjoy the pursuit of unknown possibilities.
Okay, thank you. So, gawin natin practice lagi sa mga department meetings natin, especially during Monday, na basahin among yourselves sa group. Hanggang ma-memorize natin yung content. So, yun nga, mostly our challenges. Try natin ma-memorize yung Shinsei series. So, next week siguro, we'll start with the Shinsei series. Okay, thank you.